Weld-On SuperSwab assembly instruction. Replace used swab by using a tool, for example a flat screwdriver, pocket knife, or key. Position it between swab holder and handle and unsnap. Remove swab from holder. Lay new swab wire end into groove with curved tip downward in desired oval opening. This position for use in quart container. This position for use in gallon container. Align wire with tooth. Push swab holder into handle and snap into position. The assembled SuperSwab is now ready for use with Weld-On products.